I wanted to show you guys a video of my Cen F450, where it's at now. I finally got all my wiring done. Now I just need to get all that tucked away in there. So I got winch, and they've got lights. I've upgraded the servos in the plow. I've upgraded my servo in the truck. I've got a flight receiver on here so I can use my dx8e transmitter, so I have more channels. My Sense dual audio sound system. I've got a smoke machine wired up to a switch. Let's give her a little go, shall we? There's the front end. Got everything on its own channel. Fire it up. Oh, let's turn on the smoke system. Once that smoke, it takes a second to get warmed up in there. Let's here we go. I have, I believe, the Scania truck in here. Of course, I got my smoke tubes are laying off to the side here. Normally they'd be right there. And I do have dual tubes. Matches the sound. And I plan on putting stainless steel or aluminum exhaust tips on it. I think will look really sweet. My favorite part, ready? I love it, guys.